To develop color film, you'll need to buy a chemical kit that includes developer, Blix, and stabilizer. You'll also need a development tank. When you're ready to develop the film, mix each of the chemicals with water according to the directions on the package. Place the film in a changing bag or bring it into a dark room so you don't expose it to light. Remove the cap from the film canister with a bottle opener and pull the film out of the canister, taking care to touch only the edges of the film strip. Cut the very end of the film strip off the spool and cut the tab off of the other end so that both ends are square. Spool the film onto the reel that came with your development tank. Then load the reel into the tank and close the lid. Soak your containers of mixed Blix and developer in a warm water bath that's about 102 degrees Fahrenheit, 38.8 degrees Celsius, and do the same with your development tank. Pour water of the same temperature into the tank through the cap without taking the lid off. Agitate the water for about 1 minute, then dump it out. Next, pour in the developer. Swirl the tank around for about 15 seconds. Then flip it over 4 times every 30 seconds for the next 3 minutes. Pour the developer back onto its original container after a full 3.5 minutes. Repeat this process with the Blix, but leave the Blix in the tank for a full 6 minutes and 25 seconds. After you pour out the Blix, pour in the stabilizer and agitate the tank for 1 minute. Then, pour the stabilizer back into its container. Remove the film from the reel and very gently wipe away any excess water with a soft sponge. Use clips to hang the film up to dry in a room temperature space for at least 2 hours. Now you can scan your negatives or take them to a photo lab to get prints made.